Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30521, and this is the mini Batmobile, and apparently from the Batman movie. I don't know if I remember that specifically in the Batman movie. Anyway. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I plan on doing a Lego Polybag build-along each day, one a day, for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, think about subscribing. Also, if you are interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this on Amazon and also on Bricklink. There's also a link in the description for Brickset, the page that has information about this one. And that's if you just need general info about the set itself. There is also a link to a Google document that has links and information about these Lego build-alongs, past, present, and future. If you want to check out a previous one, or if you want to plan ahead so you can build along with one of these videos in the future. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave those in the comments. And I think that's about it. And we got the wheels together while I was talking about that stuff. Alright, this is looking interesting already. It's looking like that it's kind of going to have independent suspension. That's kind of weird. So this is going to go here. So I'm guessing this is the front of it. And it's going to have that's cool. Okay. I'm liking this build already. Okay, so we got our independent suspension Batmobile going. And then we immediately put a brick here to stop it from moving. Alright, fair enough. So much for that particular idea. I guess they were like, well, maybe it'll have independent suspension, and maybe not. Although, you know what? Looking at it, this is kind of cool. I mean, I kind of want to redo it where you don't actually have that. But we'll see how it goes. Maybe this thing will be more interesting than it's going to do other interesting things besides that. Alright, so we need another laser gun thing from the Space Sets. And then we need a 2x3 that seems to be hiding from me somewhere. Ah, there it is. Here's a 2x3. So we have a 2x3 here, like so. We got the 2x3. So few of these things actually ever fold back when I put them back together. When I put them back in. Alright, so we got that. And so now what we gotta do is we're gonna slot in what I'm assuming is gonna be something related to our axles. So this goes in through here, like so. I'll make sure that's all lined up later. And I need the other one right here. Also, like so. There we go. Alright, so we got those two taken care of. We got those two taken care of. Now, alright, this is kind of a weird one. So like this, we need this and this. And so this goes here, and this goes like this. So this is, okay, that's kind of cool. So this is going to sit snugly on top right there. Is there going to be one in the back as well? Maybe not. Alright, so that goes there. That takes care of that. And then we got these two things, which I assume will become... I don't know if they're going to be headlights or guns. But whatever they're going to become, they're going to become it. Alright, we got that and that. And then 1, 2. Alright, this is actually a bit more interesting than I was expecting it to be. I was kind of, I don't know, there's a little more technique going on in this particular little Batmobile. Alright, so we got that's not what I need. I need this, and I need one of those things that I'm not seeing. Here we go. Need this, and this right here, and then another 1x2 goes right here. Alright. So this goes here on this one, like so. And then for this one, this goes on the front with a little gray cheese slope. Oops, like so. And we'll line this up so it's even. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so this goes on the front, like that. And we got that, and that, and that. And so now... You know what this kind of looks like? It kind of looks like... It has the feel of like the car from the Munsters. I know that might sound a little strange, but that's kind of the vibe I'm getting. Alright. So... And like, maybe that's what they were after. Or like the Addams Family car, that kind of thing. So we need 5 of these. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's hiding that over here. There we go. Yeah, 5. Alright. You know what else this kind of has the same body shape for? It has like the body shape of a Warhammer 40k, like the Gothic type ships. I don't know. Kind of interesting. I feel like if I wanted to make a Warhammer like Battlefleet Gothic series of ships, I could base it off this design right here. Oh, that's kind of neat. I like the idea of it. It might sound a little weird, but I mean, it's because I mean, this is if you're just looking at like the silhouette, this is kind of close to the silhouette of one of those ships. All right, we got that. And then we add this to the top. That's weird. You see that? Y'all notice that? There's a bit of wiggle. I mean, I'm assuming it's because of these joints right here. But still, it's sort of interesting. All right. So, now that we've done that, we have a 1x1 tile. Goes there. And then a 1x3. And then a little clip thing. I guess that. Oh, okay. I now understand the clip thing. We're going to clip a batarang to it. Like so. So that's our front of the Batmobile. And then for the top, we're going to use, I don't know, I always think of these as like a base from like baseball. We're going to use one of those on the top right there. Takes care of that. And then looks like we're just decorating now. Alright. So we use a 1x3 there and a 1x3 tile on the other side. Like so. And then pair the gray cheese slopes here, and this is starting to take shape, isn't it? Looks kind of cool. I feel like you almost need to stick some wings on it, though. Alright, so we got those. And now we got to take care of these things. And once again, because I've done this before, I suspect I'm going to just make 2 mirror copies of them. So this one's facing this way, and this one is facing that way. So actually, does it even matter for these? I don't think it does. Alright. We clip these things on, and then we clip on the little telescope things. Make sure the telescope things are facing the right direction. Make sure they're all lined up as much as we can line them up. And then we have the clip on the bottom, so it clips like that, and it clips like this. So these are our wings, or our kind of wings, like so. And then it clips here and here. Doesn't seem like they're clipped on right. It clips on like that, and we flip them up like so. Alright. So that takes care of that one. That takes care of that one. Now, next what we gotta do is we gotta add the like thruster thing. Alright. So the bat thruster goes on the back, and it has a little purple energy thing coming out the back of it. So that takes care of this one. Maybe this takes care of this one. Yeah, that takes care of that one. So we got that. And lastly, what we got to do is we got to add the wheels. Okay, so for the wheels, they're just clippy things. I feel like the wheels are. I was expecting the wheels to be more complicated. Doesn't look like they are. So just each of the wheels clips on like that. All right, fair enough. Kind of easy to knock out, really. So we got the clips, and the wheels clip on like so, and then each of the wheels clips to one of these things, and then we just attach it to the Batmobile. You know, the connections for these wheels, they're not exactly the way I was expecting them to go, but they're still pretty interesting. Alright, so we just line up these, oops, we just line these up like so. And then this one. Am I supposed to, yeah, I guess you're supposed to stick out. Because I guess you could also do it like this. I know it might look weird, but so you could also have like a high rider kind of Batmobile. Let's do it like it says in the instructions, at least for the first time. All right. So that takes care of that one, and then the back wheels. The back wheels are also sweeping backwards instead of being like high riding wheels. All right. That's kind of cool. That is much more interesting of a build than I was expecting. Anyway, that's kind of neat. What do you think? Were y'all expecting it to go the directions it did? I was not. Alright, oh, our extra pieces? Those are our extra pieces. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.